Hey guys, I'll put it this way. Hey, it's Bob. Getting ready to walk in the back of the shop. I'll be back there in just a second. Tony's working on a kind of interesting bike today, and I thought we'd spend a couple of minutes with him. Okay, here we are. What we have is a 1971 Honda Z50 Mini Trail. Monkey.
Yes.
Better known as a Monkey. It's in great shape, although it's been sitting for a long time. And we've been putting it back together, getting parts for it and stuff. It's a process. It takes a while to get the parts and stuff. And clean the carbs, all that stuff. Thought I'd show you the wheel system. You don't find this except on big old tractor trailers and stuff like that where they have the split rim. But this had the tire itself had it was flat, so we had to put another tube in it. But boy, it sure makes tire changing easy. All you got to do is take the two parts apart and put them back together.
And they do fit very tightly in the wheel, and once you put these in, they're very difficult to get back out.
Yes.
So lining up the holes.
It's amazing how tight they fit.
Yes.
It really is. But boy, if you've ever tried to change one of these tubes in a small tire like this, it is hard. So. So while he's finishing that up, I'll just do a little round on the Monkey itself. We clean the carburetor. You can see that even the chrome pipe, this thing must have been stored inside somewhere. Even the pipe itself is still in great shape. The fenders are chrome. They're in pretty decent shape. A little bit of pitting here and there, but not horrible. It's got a really unique, I wish that we had taken a video of this before we did it, but the throttle operates inside the handlebar, okay, and goes down here and exits somewhere and goes back to the carburetor. But it's an elaborate system. It's got all kinds of little parts and stuff to make it operate. So anyway, we still got the old cables and stuff on it. We didn't try to get source new cables for it.
And we had to soak the carburetor for about 3 days just to get the slide out of it.
By the way, I was watching something last night, and this guy had, it wasn't a slide, it was the little needle valve was stuck in a carburetor, and he threw it in his ultrasonic cleaner, and damn if he didn't expect it to do this, but damn if it didn't free up the daggum, the little needle seat, yeah. So, as you can see, Tony's in a chair, motocross accident.
Dirt bikes are stupid.
But he hadn't lost his desire to be on two wheels at all. He road races now. Where you going next?
Next race is actually VIR in 2 weeks.
That's right down the road.
Yeah, right down the road here. That's local. And then we're off to Road Atlanta.
Yeah.
Which is one of my favorite tracks. A lot of elevation. Reminds me, if you took Bud's Creek and paved it and made it lots bigger, you'd have Road Atlanta.
Ah, that's cool.
Yes. It reminds me of the road of Bud's Creek.
Well, I'm gonna let him finish putting this back up together. At the end of this video, I'm gonna post a Tony, what's the name of the charity, you guys?
We are the Bike Experience USA.
The Bike Experience USA. There's a bunch of other road racers that are in chairs and stuff that race, and so they're always welcome donations and that sort of thing. And at the end of the video, like I said, I'll post how you can donate something if you'd like to. Anything else? Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, we are a 501c nonprofit. There's a donate button right on the website.
Okay. All right, I'll do that. Okay. Well, thanks a lot, and see you guys around.